Hello everybody, this is Godslayer, and today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to downgrade your iPod Touch or iPhone if you already have your SSH or your ECID backed up on Cydia. So here's a screenshot of my iPod. You'll see that I have my SSH for iOS backed up on 3.1.3, 4.0, 4.02, and 4.1. This means that I can go back to any of these previous firmwares that I can download. So, see, the thing is with the newer devices, Apple doesn't let you downgrade. Well, if you've had Cydia installed and you clicked the Make My Life Easy button, now you can go back. This has been here for a while, but I'm just going to sum it up for those of you who haven't been able to use it. So, to get started, we're going to have to edit your host file. So you're going to click Start, and you're going to go to Computer. Local Disk C. Program Files. Oh, I'm sorry, go back, not Program Files. Windows. Then you're going to go down to System 32. Then you're going to go down to Drivers. Then ECT. And there's your host file. Now you're going to have to open it with administrator privileges. So copy this. Then click Start, type Note, and you'll see Notepad. Right click it, run as administrator. Then File, and Open. And you're going to click here, and this will let you put an address in. So you're just going to paste that address, make sure there's no spaces at the beginning or end, and then press Enter. Then click Text Documents and hit All Files. And there you go. Now you can edit your host files in admin. Now see, I already have it here, but this is what you're going to add. This line right here, I'll put it in the comment section, and or I'll put it in the video description. And what this is basically the this is the redirect from Apple server to Zurich server. So if you have your SSH backed up, you'll be able to go back. So you're just going to hit File Save. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do that. For this next part, we're going to need a web browser other than Internet Explorer, because downloading the firmware file seems to download as a zip on Internet Explorer. So I'm just going to use Safari. So we'll just open Safari up. You're going to go to google.com. Type iPod Touch. And you're just going to go to firmware 4.0 and see flexburns.de. That's where I get all my firmwares from. Very reliable site. So then you're going to go here. You're going to select your model that you have. For me, I have the iPod Touch 3. And I want to go back down to 3.1.2 or 3.1.3. I'm going to pick 3.1.3. Then I'm just going to click Download. And I'm going to click Save because I don't want to open the file. That's going to download to my default download location. I'm going to pause the video, and when I come back, it'll be done. Okay, so now that my firmware file is downloaded, which I have conveniently put on my desktop, we are going to open up iTunes, make sure your iPod Touch or iPhone is plugged in. Now, I can't guarantee that this will work on the iPhone due to bootloader problems. Apparently you can't downgrade your bootloader. I don't have an iPhone, so I don't know. And I'm sure there's other videos out there to tell you how to downgrade the iPhone. But this will always work for the iPod Touch as long as your SSH is backed up. So what you're going to do is you will see this little thing right here. It says Restore. You're going to hold your Shift key down, and you're going to click it. I'm just going to go to my desktop, because that's where I put it. I'm going to scroll down, and there it is, software update file. This tells, basically, if you don't click Shift, it's just going to download the newest update. So yeah, iTunes is going to erase and restore, so you will lose data. But the reason I'm going back is because I can't use Screen Recorder, which is a Cydia application, to record my screen so I can make future videos for you guys. So I'm going back, plus some themes don't work as well on OS 4, but there are a lot of nice features on there, and I'll probably go back eventually. But for now, I am just going to, downgrade. Well, that's been the tutorial. As long as you don't get any errors, you should be good from here. Thanks for watching. This is Godslayer. Good night, everybody.